Okay guys, welcome to Abhee official. Today I am going to show you how to download Android Studio to your MacBook. Okay, we can go to Google Chrome and in here you can search Android Studio latest version. In here you guys can simply click the Android Studio download now one. After clicking that, you are going to interface like this. You can simply go downward. In here you guys can download several versions like Windows version, Mac version, Linux likewise. So I am going to download macOS version. There are two versions for MacBooks, Mac Intel versions, and if you guys have like MacBook yeah, M1 or M2, this DMG version. So I am also going to use this DMG version. After completing our download, we can simply click that DMG file and open it. We have to drag that Android Studio application to our application. Okay guys, now I am going to show you how to install and set up this Android Studio application. In here you guys can simply click this icon and it will open the Android Studio setup. In here you guys simply click open. Welcome, this wizard will set up your development environment for Android Studio. In here you guys can simply click next. In here I am going to use this standard, then also you guys also choose that one and simply click next button, then again next. In here go downward to accept all the license and accept those things, and go downward, and this one also you put accept. Okay, all accept. Now you can simply click finish. This will take a few minutes. After completing that part, you can simply click finish in here. Okay guys, welcome to Android Studio. We successfully installed Android Studio. Then you can customize, so whether you like dark theme or light theme, you can simply manage those things in here. In project, you can if you want to create a new project, you can simply click in here, then it will take you to there, and likewise those things will help you to manage. Right guys, today I showed you how to download Android Studio and how to set up it and how to install Android Studio to your MacBook. So I think you guys understood it very well. Okay guys, we'll meet again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you very much.